Hi there, welcome to our channel. Today I will share with you this watercolor PNG flowers clip pack. You can use this clips to make cool design. This is RAR file. You can download link in description. It's free. If you don't download this file, see below in description there have a video link how to download this RAR file. You see this video to know how to download this RAR file. Now I'm extract here this file. Open this folder. You can see there have so many folder, like anemone watercolor. This hand-drawn floral watercolors is ideal for use in your digital creations such as card template designs, fields of blue, Gloria soft, lavender, orangery, for your logo, on your blog, invitations, digital projects, sites, scrapbooking, wedding invitations etc. Peony set, rose, rectic poppy, spring flowers, Tahiti set, wreath symphony in blue watercolor. Set of high-quality hand-painted watercolor anemones leaves and flowers included 11 folders. All items are bright and juicy and combined with each other. You can use my illustrations to create posters, pictures, postcards, backgrounds, invitations, textiles and much more. Each element was painted on watercolor paper. Sizes can be manipulated in editing software such as Photoshop or an online editor. I hope you understand how to use these. If you don't understand, please let us know in the comments. We will make a video accordingly and show you. Well, this was today's tutorial, so if you like it be sure to subscribe to the channel and share the video. Thanks.